under the water.
So how do you like the Icelandic Eurovision song?
I really like the Icelandic Eurovision song. I haven't met the representative yet. I don't think I've seen her around, but hopefully I get the chance to.
Have you ever been to Iceland?
I haven't been to Iceland. My first time in Europe. So this is the only place I've been, but hopefully in the future I'll get to come to Iceland. Is it cold? Is it cold in Iceland?
Yeah, it can be very cold.
It sounds pretty cold.
I would take a coat. So how do you like the Icelandic song?
It's really good. I think it has something that stands out, and it's Iceland always has something special to offer. Like it's always like spiritual or fresh sounding and modern sounds, and I think it's like that this year as well. And I think that goes for all the Nordic countries, that we don't send the typical Eurovision songs, but we send like modern pop songs. So yeah, I think she's gonna do well.
Have you ever been to Iceland?
Yeah, I was there like 5 weeks ago, and rented a car and went through the Golden Circle and Gullfoss, Thingvellir, Blue Lagoon, and the geysers.
Nice. So you liked it?
Yeah, it was so beautiful.
Be so better off, but you don't understand. I can't